Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If Photoshop cannot launch because the scratch disk is full, hold down the CMD plus Opt keys, Mac, or Ctrl plus Alt keys, Windows, on launch to set a new scratch disk. I was able to reset the scratch disk and so far Photoshop is launching fine.
Let's help you make your mark.
When you want to clear your Photoshop scratch disk, you're essentially deleting its cache. Clear scratch disk in Photoshop. Open Photoshop on your Mac. Select Edit from the menu bar. Select Purge. Select All. When the pop-up appears, choose OK.
Take our lead.
The scratch disks are full error in Photoshop usually occurs when there's no memory space available on your computer to store Photoshop's temporary files. This includes letting Photoshop use more RAM and deleting the temporary files to regain your memory space.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Click the Edit, Win, or Photoshop, Mac, menu, point to Preferences, and then click Performance. Select the checkbox next to the scratch disk you want to use or clear the checkbox to remove it. Photoshop holds scratch disk space as long as the application is open. To delete scratch disk space you must close Photoshop.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If Photoshop 2019, or earlier, cannot launch because the scratch disk is full, hold down the CMD plus Option keys, Mac OS, or Ctrl plus Alt keys, Windows, during launch to set a new scratch disk. You can tweak scratch disk settings in the Preferences, Scratch Disk section. To apply the changes, restart Photoshop.
Take our lead.
If you get the error message when the scratch disk drive shows a good amount of free space, run a disk defragmentation utility. Clear the Photoshop cache. If you can open Photoshop, delete temporary files from within the program by going to Edit, Purge, All, on Windows, or Photoshop CC Purge, All, on Mac.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.